Joy, stop. There we go. Again, so we get us to it. Uh-oh. There we go. So, goes to. And then, hey, right here. Okay, so I'm gonna put my screwdriver down. Okay, so, let me just do it. Make sure that it's always make sure it's always there. So this is why this here is the this pen goes with Windows 11. That came from she has been using this for a long time. And then of course this is my computer's hardware, my old computer's hardware. I might want to put battery bus, and of course there's her memory stick that's been there. Okay, so you unput that, and then I can just untwist those screens. Pretty simple now, but if you let's say I do want it by ribbon it unput. Well, yeah, it's probably going to be like super easy, I think. Easy, well, actually, it's not really easy, but of course. Yeah, oops. Let's move those throws. And then you can just pop this. Uh-oh. There. There we have it. Not really. Just take it out. And there we have it. So this came from my old computer. Second, my old computer does not work anymore. It just it quit working, and yeah, I was not able to use it anymore. Here a second. Let's screw this in. And let's make sure that this computer is all tightened up. Oops. There we go. Okay, so I'm back, but my phone's storage is only 4, of course. Anyways, so she is all set. So you so I just I just put the spin back on. And of course, make sure that it is in. Because sorry about that. And then just screw the spin right away. Make sure that it quits. Yeah. I'm already done.
You already done it?
Yeah.
Did you start it?
Not yet. Give me a minute. Make sure that this thing is screwed in. Always make sure that this is always screwed in. I'm gonna make sure one more time. There. And then we get this one. And I am almost done. Just make sure that this is all tightened up. Yeah, always make sure. You see, make sure. Okay, now we're all done. What the? Oh my god. Processor is still on. Okay, so let me just resetting it. Yeah, let's restart this. Hey, came on?
Yes, baby.
Yeah. And it boots up right away. So good. So good. Alright, bye.